This is the future.
Makita UD 2500. Garden waste is not easy to transport due to its bulkiness. This problem can be solved with a UD 2500 treader from the Japanese brand Makita. The volume of garden waste is reduced by 5 to 10 times with this compact equipment. The shredding blade can easily handle branches up to 1.7 inches in diameter. A 25 watts induction motor ensures a stable and efficient operation. The 2.4 cubic foot plastic waste container allows work to be interrupted less frequently, and the manufacturer has taken care about the ability. The shredder comes with 2 wheels to make moving it around the garden a breeze. The price is at least $285. Fiskars Waterwheel XL. Another invention designed to make gardening easier and more convenient is the Waterwheel XL, an automatic hose rail from the Finnish company. Fiskars it keeps the hose from tangling beneath your feet and makes storage more convenient. The SATs includes an adjustable nozzle and hose connected with a tap, and nothing else is needed for operation. The unit can be placed on any horizontal surface. Other advantages: 360-degree rotation and automatic reel in with the Waterwheel XL. The watering area is automatically increased to 15 square yards. The price starts at $150. Clear and collect. Thanks to its passing to design this tool to remove any unwanted debris from your lawn quickly and without straining your back. Thanks to the long handle, the operator doesn't have to bend and can work in a comfortable and more relaxed posture. The increased working width allows for high productivity. Clear and Gather is a multi-purpose rake that is equally excellent for collecting grass piles with little leaves as well as long twigs and vines. It is made in the UK and costs around $35. Little Wanda C5 Blower. Blowers are a practical alternative to handheld cleaning. Well, the US company, Little Wonder, offers a machine capable of blowing air at 200 miles per hour. This is not only enough to remove dry leaves. The C5 blower is also effective for removing snow, standing water, heavy, wet leaves, and even trash. The blower produces twice the power of ordinary backpack blowers while requiring less effort from the operator. The airflow direction can be changed, so these C5 blower can clean, among other things, hard-to-reach places. It is priced at about $5,200. GLORIA Thermoflamm Bio Fix. Removing unwanted vegetation between tiles or stones no longer requires lots of time or effort. All thanks to the Thermoflamm Bio Fix from the German company, GLORIA. It performs a process known as thermal weed remains, which is an effective and environmentally friendly alternative to chemical herbicides. The heating coil reaches a temperature of 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit in only 30 seconds. The hazing range of the gadget is 23 square inches, and it works like this. Heat penetrates deep into the roots of the weeds, ripping the plant out quickly. The cost is $75. Tri-Clone Trimmer Head. You can cut grass, bushes, and small trees with just this attachment for an electric lawn mower. It is the triplet cussing hat from the US company, and Coach. The device is equipped with 3 sharp replaceable blades that make it clean cut. The replacement procedure is simple and takes only a couple of minutes. This tool has proven to function with trees up to 3 inches in diameter in tests. The cost of this cussing was approximately $65. The sets of 3 interchangeable blades cost $33. Kobai. If you don't want to work in the garden yourself, that Belgium robot Kobe is perfect for you. It works completely autonomously and keeps your garden tidy. Regardless of the time of year, the secrets of versatility lies in the 3 interchangeable work modules. During winter, Kobe removes snow from the pavement with a shovel. The lawn is blown the most in the spring and summer, while the leaves are blown the most in the fall. Kobe does not use GPS for navigation, unlike its competitors. Because of its instability beneath trees and other buildings, the developers chose not to employ this technique. Instead, Kobe uses computer vision, which works perfectly accurately, so the robot doesn't miss a single foot of your yard. The price is about $4,000. Works AeroCart. This is a gardening invention, but 8 different functions. First, the Works AeroCount functions as a wheelbarrow for transporting loose materials and various loads. It can also function as a 4-wheel cars. In either case, the effort is reduced to a minimum. That's because the AeroCount features the ingenious patented turbo lift design. The weight being conveyed appears to be 10 times lighter. These shifting center of gravity experiments have demonstrated that AeroCount jobs that used to take an entire day may now be completed in 20 minutes. It also enables the user to work considerably more efficiently by doing the tasks of 3 workers. Lowe's AeroCart can carry up to 300 pounds. Pricing starts at $185. Gardena Stuck-Cut Gardening is not just about taking care of the grass. That's why the German company Gardena offers the help of the stuck pruning. Its sharp lopper blades with non-stick coatings can trim branches up to 1.25 in diameter with accuracy and clean cuts. The cursing head's angle can be adjusted. This allows brown shoes to be cussing any direction. Star Cuts is also suitable for removing cut branches from tree cramped. With the help of an innovative hook, the tool is powered by an internal steel gearbox, which gives you a high cutting force, thanks to the 12-speed gear ratio. To put it another way, Star Cut will get the work done quickly and easily without tiring your hands. The Star Cut 160 has a handle length of 5.25 feet. The Stockout for 10 Plus has a telescoping minium handle adjustable for 7.5 to 13.5 feet. The price is about $110. Vertimax 4413. This is a tool designed for tying plants. A work cycle is literally done in seconds. The operator easily loads the tape and holds the handle in place. What sets this tool apart from the competition is the economical use of the tape and the precise clean cuts. The price is about $50. Weasel Bulk Planter. The last tool we're going to talk about today is very practical. It was made to dig holes for bolts quickly. Each cycle takes a few seconds and is completed in a single motion. The design of the tool is as simple as possible and the price is about $50. Stop wasting your time. Now is the moment to put your mind to work. Welcome to Innovative World, where you'll find remarkable information from the past, present, and the future, as well as the power of nature and wild animals, as well as amazing facts and unsolved problems. You'll find all their sounds much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regresses.